My name is Nazarian, born and raised in Lebanon. Born and bred AGBU member. I currently serve on AGBU Lebanon's district committee and the central committee of the AYA. So in 2019, Lebanon was hit with the financial crisis. Everyone in Lebanon has been affected, and the Armenian community in particular. AGBU was the first in our community to take the lead on this by distributing food boxes on a regular basis to around 500 people a month. And slowly, because of the situation was getting worse, we started to increase the help that we were giving. Of course, the explosion on August 4th added the heartache and disaster to everyone. And this led us to increase our aid by the reconstruction efforts that we did. People visiting our dispensaries increased, and we were able to help our community by providing them the necessary aid in the dispensaries. Because let's not forget, the financial crisis wiped out the middle and lower class of people. People's savings in banks were no longer available. So basic necessities such as education and healthcare, people had no access to them anymore. And again, AGBU stepped up to the plate and was able, first, to provide education by waiving tuition fees for all of its students, and second, by providing aid through its dispensaries. Third, by providing financial assistance and scholarship assistance to university students. The food boxes, as I mentioned, continue on a monthly basis. We're trying as much as possible to sustain the aid that we're giving, whether it be the food boxes, whether it be the hot meals, the dispensaries, and the first aid that we're giving through these dispensaries, including dentistry. After the blast, a lot of children were affected with PTSD, and the AGBU also through its volunteers of psychologists, we set up a room at the community center here where students and school children can come and get help through the psychosocial program that we established. Our leaders and everybody, we were inspired by their actions. So this led us to step up to the plate. And our local leadership, of course, with the backing and support of international leadership. Here at AGBU Lebanon, I think we live and embody AGBU's motto, in unity is strength. So all the members of the community came together and stood together, whether it be through financial contribution or through volunteering. I mean, we are as one here in our community, and we are helping and sustaining the help that we're giving to people and members of the community. Being in the financial situation that is devastating Lebanon and not being able to see the light at the end of the tunnel, it's only by seeing how our community is coming together and the inspiration that's coming out of everybody's volunteering and helping out their fellow citizen or their fellow community member. This is one thing that's keeping us going and giving us hope to continue for the future. Having said this, we need to continue. And the only way to do so is by more fundraising. So I call to action anybody that can contribute, whether it be $10, $20, any amount is something that will definitely help us. Also, we need volunteers and we need people to come together, because it is only then that we can truly build the community for tomorrow.